Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are embarking on a journey to a true haven for nature enthusiasts.
We have to get our tickets here, I guess.
The one and only Lekki Conservation Centre. I am Romeo and I can't wait to show you the breathtaking beauty and incredible biodiversity that this place has to offer. So grab your arts and cameras, let's dive right in.
For the walkway, I got my ticket, so I have to go to that side.
Our first stop is the famous canopy walkway. Prepare to be enchanted as we venture into the mysterious world of the swamp. Our next adventure takes us on a captivating stroll along a wooden boardwalk where we will uncover the hidden beauty of the wetlands.
Center, this nature, 100% nature. So if you want to feel nature, you want to enjoy nature, this is where you have to be. We still have a long way to walk. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. In case you haven't, click the like button and the notification bell below so you can see more of this kind of content.
A jaw-dropping treetop adventure that allows us to immerse ourselves in the heart of the forest. With each step, we are getting closer to the treetops, feeling that rush of adrenaline mist with soothing sound of nature. It's like walking on air, surrounded by nothing but pure serenity.
Oh wow, I actually did it. See, the secret of it all is not to look down. In case you want to come here, don't look down. You can actually do it. Don't look down. I'm almost done. This is the fifth one. So I made it up here. Made it up here. Observation. This is the observation tower. So you can actually see everywhere from here.
Now let's shift our focus to the incredible inhabitants of this conservation center. From exotic fishes to playful monkeys, the Lekki Conservation Centre is home to a wide array of wildlife. Check out this mischievous monkey having a friendly game of tag. It's amazing how closely we can observe this animal in their natural habitat. Remember guys, respect their space and keep a safe distance. Now let's take a moment to indulge in the culinary delights that Lekki Conservation Centre has to offer. A day of exploration calls for some mouth-watering treats. The chicken is bustling with flavors, perfectly cooked and seasoned. And the roasted plantain, they are just the right amount of gracefully and sweet. Take a look at this feast. We've got a variety of traditional Nigerian dishes that are sure to tickle our taste buds. It is not just about the stunning natural beauty here, folks. Lekki Conservation Centre knows how to satisfy our appetites too. As we release these mouth-watering dishes, we are reminded that conserving our environment also means cherishing the traditions and flavors that makes a place truly special. Now that we have immersed ourselves in the natural wonders of Lekki Conservation Centre, let's tap into our adventurous spirit with some exciting games that add an extra layer of fun to this incredible experience. Whether you are a solo explorer or with friends and family, there's something for everyone here. As you can see, the Lekki Conservation Centre isn't just about serene walks and wildlife observation, it's also a playground for the adventurous at heart, with games and activities that makes your visit truly unforgettable. So whether you are exploring the hidden wonders of the forest, testing your animal knowledge, or conquering the treetop challenges, there's a game for everyone to enjoy.
Wow. I would have loved to do this, but I'm not sure if this stick is that strong anyway. It's strong.
It's okay, my hands are paining me. Stop.
And now it's time to take our exploration to new heights. Literally, behold the towering Lekki Conservation Centre treehouse, offering panoramic views of the entire reserve.
So that's the entrance. In case you have to go up, that's where you pass through. Zoom in.
This is the perfect spot to reflect on the incredible beauty of nature and appreciate the importance of the conservation efforts. Every step we take here is a step towards preserving this pristine ecosystem for generations to come. Well, there you have it, folks. Our unforgettable journey through the Lekki Conservation Centre. If you are ever in the area or looking for a place to reconnect with nature, this is an absolute must visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on more thrilling adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.